If you got injured in the wild right now, would you know how to stop the bleeding? Because out there, you don't always get a second chance. Before modern medicine, people relied on plants to treat wounds. Even warriors used what nature gave them to survive. And some of those plants are still around today, growing quietly, right where you walk every day. Plant 1. Yarrow. This is yarrow, a small plant with delicate white flowers. Doesn't look like much, but for centuries it's been used to help with bleeding. People would crush the leaves and apply them directly to wounds. Simple, but effective enough to be trusted in real situations. And the next one, you've probably stepped on it before. Plant 2. Plantain. This is plantain, not the banana, the wild plant. It grows low to the ground, sidewalks, dirt paths, backyards. Most people ignore it, but its leaves have been used for skin irritation and minor wounds. Crushed into a paste, it can help soothe and protect the area. Something so common, yet so overlooked. Now this next one might surprise you. Plant 3. Spiderwort. This is spiderwort. It has long green leaves and small purple flowers. Break the stem and you'll notice something interesting. It releases a gel-like substance. People have used that gel to help with minor cuts and skin irritation. Nature's own simple layer of protection. And this next one, most people already know, but not like this. Plant 4. Aloe Vera. This is aloe vera. You've probably seen it before, but in a survival situation, it becomes something else. Inside the leaves is a thick gel, often used for burns, cuts, and skin damage. Break it open, and it's ready to use. No tools needed. And this last one might change the way you see trees. Plant 5. Pine. And it's not just a tree. If you look closely, you'll find resin, a sticky substance that comes out when the tree is damaged. People have used it as a natural barrier over wounds, helping protect against dirt and exposure. Not perfect, but in the wild, it can make a difference. Here's the truth. These aren't magic solutions, but in the right moment, they can help you buy time. And sometimes, time is everything. Because in a real survival situation, it's not about having the best tools, it's about using what you have. If you want to keep learning how to actually survive using what's around you, watch the next video. Because out there, knowledge is your only advantage.